Hi guys, with another video. This is the LG washing machine. Model number. This is a model number that WT11O1CW. So I can show the model right there. Okay, right. This is the one. Okay, so what happened? This machine, it wasn't drained very well. So what I drain pump was problem. How you gonna open this place that you can take it out the pipe. Here's the pipe I took already. It wasn't working. Here's the pipe. Drain pump pipe noise. Pump. What do? This was here. Right here. It's going inside of this bracket like that. Alright. So there's a 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. I took that 4 screw and just you pulling like it comes out. So after that, of course, do not forget plug out. You don't need to get shock. And safety first. And after that, let me make it closer a little bit. Let me get the camera. Okay, right there. It was set here. Pump was there is a 3 screw here, right there. And I used a 10 millimeter socket wrench. Then I took the 3 screw out and just what do? You just pushing this hose holder and pull it to that hose, and then you're taking out this pump. So this pump is not drain water anymore, but I tried to order. It's so expensive, maybe $150, $120. I tried to fix it. I opened the inside, and yeah, it was not fixable. That's what I'm saying. If you have a problem that there's a noise and this pump doesn't drain your water and only making noise, just turning, and which means your drain pump is not working very well. So I tried to order a couple of company. I called it, but it was so expensive. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, and hopefully this kind of helpful. Bye.